This video is part of a larger video series where we are making Microsoft Word documents Section 508 compliance. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and thank you for joining me today. Document uses accessible fonts in the Sans Serif family. This is going to include fonts like Arial, Calibri, Century Gothic, Helvetica, Tahoma, and Verdana. To check that your document is using the most appropriate fonts, what you can do is select a Control A to select all of your entire document. And then under the font area, under the home ribbon, we can change our fonts to, let's say, Calibri. And now we have sans serif fonts throughout the entire document. That Control A feature is really powerful to select everything in the entire document. The checklist can be downloaded from the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. Now on to the next one.